And given the North London outfit's ongoing absence of Champions League football, Arsenal's purse strings have had to be drawn tighter and tighter each season. Sheth, speaking on the Transfer Talk podcast, from Manchester City's perspective it would be a blow to lose Arteta to Arsenal. You've heard Pep Guardiola speak really highly of him. But for Arteta himself, how many times is an opportunity like this going to come along in this situation right now? Arsenal are looking for in the direction of a younger manager. He's got links with the club, he's played for the club and he has Premier League experience. Is this one at this time too good to turn down for him? With a new manager, you'd think funds would be available, but if Arsenal fans think there's going to be huge outlay, I can't see that happening. If we go back to the summer, we were told this magical £45 million figure, but how much Arsenal have actually committed in transfers, be it in instalments and however transfers are paid, it's in excess of £100 million to £120 million. Don't miss, who is getting the better manager out of Arsenal and Everton? Big Debate Arsenal legend Alan Smith explains what he has heard about Mikel Arteta. Arsenal were forced to abandon next manager plan as Gunners plot Mikel Arteta appointment. Let's block ads. Why?